April 13, 1 o'clock. This is my cousin's land. Uh, so we're going to install a solar pump here at Difful. And we're going to install it over there, about 30 meters away from this pump. I'm looking at the well. I'm surprised how deep it is. It's deep. I mean, that looked like maybe over 9 meters deep to the bottom. I mean, that's 9 meters. I'm just looking at the pipe. So those are 9-meter pipes. So just looking at how to do this. It with the hot, everything is turning brown, and you could easily ignite the hay, the stubble. So we'll see how that goes. So the panel is installed. I told Arvin that the panel has to be facing south, and angle is 7 degrees, so that it gives the basically when the sun is dancing around, facing south is the best, and the optimum angle here at this location is 7 degrees from the horizontal. So I'm gonna wire it up later. So we're inserting the submer into the casing. I have to come back tomorrow to power it up. Okay, the submersible is working now. So it seems like it's outputting 14 cubic meter per hour. Powerful. Thanks for watching.